Béton, no. Imagine drinking just 1 cup a day that helps balance your blood sugar, improves your insulin sensitivity, and may even help you reverse diabetes. Sounds too good to be true? In this video, I'll show you 3 simple spices that science confirms can truly make a difference. These are not myths. They are backed by real research published in the world's leading medical journals. Attention, I'll tell you the most important thing at the very end of the video. Part 1. Cinnamon, the natural insulin booster. Cinnamon isn't just a kitchen spice, it's one of the most researched natural regulators of blood sugar. Its main active compound, methylhydroxycalcone polymer, MHCP, mimics the action of insulin and increases the number of glucose transporters, GLUT4, on cell membranes. That means glucose moves from your blood into your cells instead of building up in your bloodstream. In 2013, Annals of Family Medicine published a meta-analysis of 10 randomized clinical trials involving 543 patients with type 2 diabetes. Participants who consumed cinnamon from 120 milligrams up to 6 grams daily for 4 to 18 weeks experienced an average drop in fasting glucose of 24 milligrams per deciliter compared with the control group. A 2020 review in Nutrition and Metabolism analyzed over 940 patients. Whilst regular cinnamon intake reduced HbA1c, glycated hemoglobin, by an average of 0.36% in just 12 weeks. That's a similar effect to a mild dose of metformin. Cinnamon also lowers triglycerides, reduces inflammation in blood vessels, and supports liver function, crucial for anyone with metabolic syndrome. Part 2. Turmeric, the golden protector of the liver and pancreas. Turmeric's active compound is curcumin, a powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. Curcumin works deep inside cells, blocking NF-κB, the master switch of inflammation that drives insulin resistance and pancreatic damage in diabetes. In 2012, a landmark randomized double-blind trial published in Diabetes Care followed 240 patients with prediabetes. After 9 months of taking 1.5 grams of curcumin daily, not a single participant developed diabetes, while 16% of the placebo group did. Curcumin reduced diabetes risk by 100%. In 2021, Frontiers in Endocrinology published a meta-analysis of 14 clinical studies. Curcumin lowered fasting glucose by 20 to 25 milligrams per deciliter and HbA1c by about 0.5% over 8 to 12 weeks. It also reduced liver inflammation and C-reactive protein, one of the strongest markers of chronic inflammation. Turmeric turns this drink from just a blood sugar remedy into an anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It protects the liver, calms the body, and restores biochemical balance. Part 3. Ginger, the metabolic activator. Ginger is nature's metabolic catalyst. Its key bioactive compounds, gingerols and shogals, activate an enzyme called AMPK, the same metabolic switch triggered by exercise and metformin. This improves glucose uptake in muscle and fat cells. In 2015, the Iranian Journal of Pharmaceutical Research published a randomized clinical trial involving 88 patients with type 2 diabetes. After 8 weeks of consuming 3 grams of ginger daily, fasting glucose dropped by 18.8 milligrams per deciliter, and HbA1c decreased by 0.77%. A 2022 meta-analysis in diabetes and metabolic syndrome combined results from 14 studies. On average, ginger lowered fasting glucose by 20 to 22 milligrams per deciliter and HbA1c by 0.6% within 12 weeks. Ginger also improves blood flow, reduces nerve inflammation, and may prevent diabetic neuropathy. How to prepare the drink. Visual sequence: spices added into a glass cup of hot water. To make 1 serving, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of turmeric, 1/3 teaspoon of ginger. Pour 250 milliliters of hot water, stir, and let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes. Drink warm and slowly, first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Add a pinch of black pepper if you wish. It boosts curcumin absorption by up to 20 times. If you're already taking blood sugar medications, monitor your glucose levels carefully. This drink can start lowering your sugars within just a few days. Never replace your prescribed therapy. Use this as a natural support under medical supervision. Diet and movement. This drink works best when you pair it with proper nutrition. No sugar, no fructose, no refined carbs. Eat real food, fiber, protein, healthy fats. And remember, movement is medicine. Walk or cycle for 60 minutes twice a day, in the morning or noon, and again after dinner. This is not optional. It's part of the treatment. 30-Day Diabetes Remission Challenge. If you want to do more than just lower your sugar, if you want to live free from it, join our 30-Day Diabetes Remission Challenge. Each day, one task, one habit, one change. In 30 days, you'll see numbers you never thought possible. Final message. Start with this cup. 10 days, that's all I ask. You'll feel more energy, more stability, and a glimpse of the life you deserve. Like this video, subscribe, and share it with someone you care about. Because hope is contagious. I'm your doctor, and I'm here with you. See you in the next video.